Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to normalize the audio of your files in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our files. So guys, if you want to go ahead and input your files for editing, you can do so directly by your folder, just drag and drop them right here, or just go to the file option, import, and start selecting the media you want to add. After selecting your files, they're going to appear right here, as you can see here on my videos, and I can get started with dragging them and dropping them into my timeline right here to get started with editing them, as I have already done. So here in my timeline, I'm going to go ahead and select the video that I want to normalize the audio for. So let's go and see how to do that. After clicking on the video, we can now go to the music tab right here. It's called Fairlight. So go ahead and click on Fairlight guide, and it's going to go ahead and take us to this new page right here where we can get started with using effects for our audio. So as you can see, we have the effects option right here in the upper left corner, and here we can get started with everything we can use for making our audio normalize. So as you can see, we have a lot of effects right here that you can go ahead and play around with. You can add the loudness meter to normalize your audio, you have the limiter and so on. You can go ahead and check out every effect that you can use, and you can use the sliders here as well. So these are all the options that you can use for normalizing your audio, and if you want, you can even go to the inspector option right here in the upper left corner. But first we're going to go back to the cut page, go to inspector, and then select the audio tab right here. And here guys, as you can see, we have the equalizer option. So here you can go ahead and equalize your audio and manage how you want it to sound. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.